With the growing demands placed on labs for testing more samples, Brooks offers the AIM3600, the highest capacity autosampler in our range. With the ability to hold 7 sample racks and up to 2 standard racks, the AIM3600 is designed to process over 600 samples in a single run. There is also a wide range of unique accessories available to optimise your analysis. The AIM3600's narrow footprint allows it to be positioned in front of the analyzer to minimise the use of valuable bench space and reduce the length of the sample transfer line. The wash station can be located in one of 4 locations, providing greater flexibility for different applications. If you're looking for an efficient and reliable autosampler for your high-capacity applications, the AIM3600 is the perfect solution. Contact us today to discuss your autosampler requirements.